update. Dave here with Epiphany-Pools back in Piedmont, South Carolina. Just wanted to give you an update on where we're at. You know, last time we ended, we just stopped with our concrete pours. We had our ponds of colored concrete and then followed up with our bands where Flagstone was going, and we have Flagstone going down already right now. You can see they've started placing it. Still need to get grout in, but you know, we're ways away from finishing the Flagstone before we even get grout put in. But as you can see, everything's going in nicely. You can also see how, you know, the reason we decided to go with these Flagstone bands is with the amount of rock we had out here, we needed something to tie in this patio to these rocks that are out here. Homeowner did not want to do just straight Flagstone all over. So I think it probably took maybe a week or two to convince, you know, let's do bands. Let's do these big ponds of concrete, surround them by these bands of Flagstone, surround the pool with Flagstone, and you know, everything will pull together, make it look real cohesive. It just joins everything together. Another update is inside the pool, we have the tile going in around the top edge of the pool. This tile will follow the top edge of the pool all the way around. Inside the hot tub, that will be our Waterline tile. In the hot tub edge itself, we're gonna have a knife edge around the outside of the hot tub. And these pebbles are gonna be all the way covering the exterior of the hot tub and this knife edge. And they're gonna be going in this river headed around this hot tub. Come around this edge, I'll show you what we're doing here. We just took some of the boulders, cut them, brought it up into this area to bring everything together. You know, these boulders were here. We cut them, put it up around the edge of this concrete, and basically made a pillar that ties all this together. So yeah, I'm liking it. Everything's looking good. I will check back with you all next week and give you an update of where we're at. Thanks for checking in. Have a great day.